let's think about something else. It's kind of along the lines of the video from, am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. From last week. Where I asked, would you want to live forever? This is kind of along those lines. But the question this week is, would you want to know the exact time, date, and cause of your own death? Would you want to be able to look into the future and see that? I don't. I kind of would, but it's like a catch-22, because if you know, you're obviously going to be steadily, or you're going to be making decisions to change that, because you'd want to live longer. Because let's say you see that you're going to die in 5 years. Okay, so you're going to die in 5 years, and it's going to be from unnatural causes. We'll say murder. Okay, you get murdered. We're just throwing it all into this, okay? Just for, you know, reference. Now, you know who's going to do it. You know when they're going to do it. You know how they're going to do it. At that point, yes, you could avoid it. But at the same time, because I went the wrong way. But because you know, and you're going to avoid this person, you can miss out on so many more things. Man, it's windy. That's a strong headwind. Sorry, this is all you guys are seeing right now. I do plan on getting the transparent windscreen soon, or as soon as I can, which is hopefully soon. And I did it again. I didn't need to go down this road, but whatever. Say, or this is the right road. What am I doing? I'm losing my mind. But now you're avoiding this person because you know what's going to happen, right? Okay, so you avoid this person, you stay away from them. What about all the good times you could have had? What if it was somebody that could have turned out to be your wife or your husband? You know, you could have had children with them. These are all things that you won't experience because you're staying away from this person, because you know what's going to happen. The same thing goes for locations. If you know where you're going and you know where you're going to die, you're going to want to stay away from that place, right? Now, you may be one of those saying, well, I'd still go, but I'd stay away from doing that particular activity. How? I mean, are you gonna live in the fear, knowing that that's what's gonna happen? So that's gonna alter you're gonna let that alter your view on things and what you do? I don't think I'd want to know, but at the same time, I kind of do. But it'd be tough, because say my death was caused because I was riding and I was killed on my bike. I know that's a possibility. Believe me, I know that. But I enjoy riding too much. It's therapy, it's relaxing, it's just feeling the wind, and you know, you can't experience it any other way, really. I mean, so again, would you want to know? I'm on the fence. I really am. Because I don't know how I feel about that. I do like the idea of knowing and possibly avoiding, but at the same time, if it's something happening, doing something I love doing, or something along those lines, I'm going to alter my way of life to prevent it, because I don't want to die. I mean, obviously, nobody, well, I'm not going to say nobody, but when is enough enough? Again, I mean, how much would you want to know? We all know we're going to die someday. We don't know how. We don't know when. We don't know, you know, anything about it other than it's going to happen. And I'll be honest, the thought of dying, you know, being dead, honestly, it scares me. It terrifies me. Not really for myself. Yeah, I'm kind of worried, like, what if it is only darkness? What if I mean, that's what scares me, you know, for myself. But I'm more worried about my daughter, because if I go, that means I'm not going to be here for her anymore. And I always want to be there for her. I don't want to, you know, I don't want to leave her. And that's where it comes back to the, you know, would you want to live forever? Kind of, I would, but not really at the same time. So let me know what you think. Would you want to know the exact details of your death, like date, time, cause, everything about your death? And you could put, the plus side is you could potentially miss, or you could potentially prevent it, but at the same time, the downturn is you could miss out on more things than you really should, because you were trying to avoid it.